You've picked the perfect LEVOLOR window treatments to fit your room. Now let's get accurate measurements so they fit your windows. It's a cinch. Your inside mount blinds or shades will provide a clean, integrated look. It's the most common mounting choice. Let's do it. Be sure to measure each and every window you're ordering treatments for. Using a metal tape measure, measure between the inside surfaces of your window frame, horizontally across the top, middle, and bottom. Measure to the nearest eighth of an inch. The shortest of these three measurements is your width. Now measure the inside surface, top of window to top of sill, vertically at the left, middle, and right. Again, measure to the nearest eighth of an inch. The longest of these three is your height. Lastly, let's measure for depth, making note of any cranks, handles, or tracks that may interfere with the function of your window treatments. Double-hung windows are a common and frequently overlooked obstruction. Be sure to measure from the front of these obstacles to the front of your window frame. Remember, depth requirements vary by window treatment type. Refer to product specifications to make sure the products you wish to order will have proper clearance. Ta-da! That's all there is to it. Though be sure to measure each and every window. They may look identical, but often they're not. There you have it. Now you're ready to measure your windows and place your order today. You've got this, and we've got your back.